To set up your IDE plugin, you first need to install the Packmind extension right in your IDE. For example, in VS Code, you need to go into the extension panel and look for Packmind directly in this panel. Then you need to install Packmind extension. This is similar in JetBrains. You just need to go into the preferences and then look for Packmind in the marketplace. Once those extensions have been installed, you just need to go into Packmind directly and look through plugin and API key right there on the bottom left and copy your API key right there. Then you just need to go into your IDE and go into the settings and look for Packmind. Then you just need to pass your API key. This is similar in JetBrains. You just need to go into the settings and look for Packmind. And you will see there where you can add your API key. That's it. Now you're ready to use the Packmind extension directly, and you can create and view all of your practices.